Need to record the webinar to view it later? Or want to share your own educational videos with others? Then, watch this tutorial. We'll tell you how to screencast any online call using Clipify, an automatic video editor. First, launch the needed website or the platform where the webinar takes place. Next, run Clipify. Pick New Project and then Blank Project. On the Files tab, pick Capture Screen Video. The editor will be minimized immediately. Select one of the modes: Full Screen, Custom Area, or Window. Now check the boxes if you want to record the microphone and computer audio, webcam footage, and cursor movements as well. For more customization options, click Settings. Here you can choose the output folder or change hotkeys. When done, apply the changes and click Start Recording. Control the recording with the pause and stop buttons. Once the webinar is over, hit the stop button to end the recording session. Your video will be automatically transferred into the editor. Now, preview the result. To save the recording, click Create Video. Pick the desired format, adjust the settings, and then export the clip. And that's it. Now you can record a webinar with little effort. Download Clipify and capture screencasts with a few clicks.